Alright, man, if you got some heavy brake dust, look like rust type stuff. I call it rust dust. Rust dust. The easiest way to get this stuff off is, I'm gonna show you the beginning. That's the beginning, and it's easy off, man. Scrub brush. Play with it a little bit, and that'll make it come off. Now, this stuff right here is almost like mud. It just started breaking apart when you put this stuff on there. So now I'm finna go over there and spray it off. That should do it, but most of it came off. We'll go over there and spray it and let's see what happens. Okay, y'all. That's the end result. I thought it was over with for these rims. So I just gotta hit it again. I'm gonna get a toothbrush and get all the rest of the little stuff. But it came pretty clean. It's just a few little specks that'll come off with a plastic card or something. You know, shine the tires up. This thing good to go now. But yeah, I thought it was over with for these rims. So I remember how they was in the beginning of the video. It's crazy, man. But yeah, so oven easy off, oven cleaner, it works. And it don't damage your rim, because I thought it was over with. So yep. That's the end of this video, man. Thanks for tuning in. If you learned something today, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.